Good morning, students. Again, I am going to tell about tricky in hospital. The narrator took the dog in his car. Mrs. Pumphrey gave Tricky's belongings like bed, cushions, toys, various balls, coats, etc. At the hospital, Tricky looked down at other dogs. They sniffed around it and ignored it. Now, Tricky's treatment. The narrator kept an eye on Tricky for 2 days. He gave it plenty of water, but no food. On the 3rd day, it started whimpering on seeing other dogs. It followed them down the garden. Later that day, other dogs had their food. When they had finished, Tricky walked round the balls. He also licked them. It meant it was hungry. It was given some food. Again, I am going to tell about Tricky's soul's improvement. Tricky started to show progress. It was given no medicinal treatment. It ran about with the dogs all day. It discovered the joy of being with other dogs. Meanwhile, Mrs. Pumphrey continued ringing regularly. She asked various questions about Tricky, but the narrator told her that the dog was out of danger. When Tricky becomes alright, Mrs. Pumphrey started to bring round fresh eggs to build up Tricky's strength. The narrator began giving Tricky wine before and during the meal. The dog began to drink brandy also. Tricky now had one exist egg in the morning. It had wine at noon and brandy in the evening. After a fortnight, the narrator stank her up saying the dog was all right. Mrs. Pumphrey comes to take Tricky home. Mrs. Pumphrey arrived at the narrator's surgery in a big car. She asked him if the dog was better. The narrator told her that the dog was fine. He would bring it to her. When Tricky saw its mistress, it ran into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. It began licking her face and barking. Tricky is cured. A triumph of surgery. The narrator helped the driver to bring out Tricky's various things. These were Tricky's beds, toys, cushions, coats, and balls. They had not been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. She told the narrator that it was a triumph of surgery. That's all. Thank you.